So, we've all had to go through some type of training. Maybe it was about improving communication, or handling conflict, or learning how to execute the perfect trust fall. Since you're here, you're probably learning about everything DiSC, which is kind of like the Swiss Army knife of training, because it explains why people are the way they are and why they do the things they do. And once you've got that down, communicating and handling conflict gets a whole lot easier. But that's the trick, isn't it? How can you take everything you learned and apply it to the real world? That's where myeverythingdisc.com can help. In the office or on the go, myeverythingdisc.com delivers exclusive content, unique learning activities, and personalized insights about you and the people you know, when you want it, when you need it. My Everything DiSC puts DiSC theory to work for you. Come on in, let's get started.